from the thumbnail you must have got to know where I have come today. Yes, so I have come to an educational expo which is organized by Times. So here in this vlog you will get to know which all are the participating universities and institutions, which all are the sessions lined up on 25th and 26th, and which all are the sessions being conducted on different topics. So if you're new to the channel, then remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you have further queries, feel free to comment them down below. Without further ado, let's get started. So once you enter, this is how the setup is, and this is the list of the universities which have participated: Ajinkya D.Y. Patil, Walpis University, MIT Walpis, Allard, Nigma. You also have CA Institution, Surya Datta, Pimpri Chinchwad. So this is the list of participating colleges and the universities. And this is what I was telling you. This is the campus of Hotel Central Park. If you could see Hotel Central Park, this is a setup. So let's go and check inside how it looks. How to reach out to this? Where I'm standing right now is the venue of Hotel Central Park. This is centrally located at Deccan. But the main difficulty which I found initially when I was entering in was a parking issue. Somehow I could manage to get the space for parking. So if you are coming by car or your own vehicle, try to avoid that, get auto or cab and come, because they lack enough parking space for the visitors. Fine, so let's go and check out how the entire setup inside is and which all are the participating university. So do follow me. So this is how the entry is looking like. Once you enter, you have a registration desk there, and for the participating colleges, see, this is how the branding of the participating institute has been done. So let's go and check at the registration counter. As I told you, this Times Education Expo has been hosted by Times Group, and there's no registration fees. If you're watching this video, let me tell you the schedule for this 2 days. Today is Saturday 25th, and these are the sessions which are lined up. Here you will have career and industry connect, artificial intelligence, machine learning, role of parents and students in career selection, career opportunities in engineering, career opportunities in allied health sciences. So if you're watching it today and want to join tomorrow, these are the sessions lined up for tomorrow, Sunday, May 26th, and these are the sessions. So here you have America, a still popular destination for higher education, make a career in fastest growing industries of future, career opportunity in novel engineering branches, and importance of soft skill. So this is an absolutely amazing platform for admission and counseling. So ensure you attend the sessions if you want to know more about any of such topics. Let's go and check out the different stalls been put by different universities. This is how the entry passes looks like, and here again the branding of participating institution has been done, and here the display of the schedule of these 2 days has been made available. This is how the expo looks. Here you have Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, and the courses which they are marketing here are School of Design, School of Engineering, School of Law, School of Management, School of Hotel Management, and various courses run under this schools by Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. Moving ahead, you have Symbiosis, Skills and Professional University. So Skill and Professional University and various courses been marketed by them. If you look at various courses, and this is how the setup and the counseling is happening. So the one thing I should tell you, the entire counseling is done very professionally. Trinity Institute has also participated. Along with that, you have Allard University, and see the kind of setup provided by Times. You have Nigma, various courses being run and promoted by the team. Along with this, you have School of Sports, Symbiosis, and the team. This is how professionally the setup is done. Okay, so let's go and check what we have next. So this is how the career counseling is happening. This is Pimpri Chinchwad University, and the team. Queries are handled professionally, so I think it's worth visiting to such expo.
various courses run. You have BTech, MTech, and various courses. PCMC. This I think I personally like because it's an open setup. Surya Datta Group of Institute, and the courses run by them. So very good. You also have a facility made available where you can have your digital display. You have MIT Art Design and Technology University and the team. Along with that, you have Bharati Vidyapit. It's a deemed to be university, and the team. So this is how the entire setup looks. Along with that, you have MIT Alindi campus. I think MIT has set up 3 different setups. Along with the universities, the classes have also participated. Agrawal classes has participated. Okay, and the CA Institute, Pune. Along with CA next we have is MIT World Peace University. So this is how MIT has set up the stands. Okay. Let's go and check out what they have for the. This is how counseling happens for various courses in the student and their parents. And this is the last segment. Let's go and check in how the session has been. So this is how the session has been conducted. There's a session going on BSc Sports and Exercise Sciences.
So now a student just joined a course something about the structure. When you talk about the structure, I will give one example about the unstructured data. Like for example, let us say for example I am extracting the data from the social media platform. Right? Basically Twitter है और Twitter से मैं अगर एक particular data को extract कर रहा हूँ. Right? But the thing is that when I extract that data will be, I will get that data into some मतलब mix आ जाएगा, right? That data will be not.
So here we have come to an end of this vlog. Feel free to comment down the queries if you have any. Also post the questions and queries relating to admission 24. I'll see you guys in another vlog. On this note, I'm Sandeep signing off. Thank you so much for your time.